In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off incognito mode on YouTube, either you are on an iPhone or Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and the first step, you need to open up YouTube app. Make sure you are signed into your YouTube account, and once it is done, tap right here where it says You, or maybe in your case it says Library here. And after that you will be taken to your channel, where if you drag this bar a bit, you can easily find Turn on Incognito. If we tap on it, it turns on incognito mode. You can identify that by saying right here that you are incognito now, and then you can use YouTube in incognito mode. However, once you decided to turn it off, all you have to do is just tap right here and then turn off incognito. That's how you can easily turn on or off incognito mode. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.